Good morning everybody. Welcome to the next week Nifty program from Stock Market Guideline. The major question before us is how will be our market and how will be the Nifty movement next week. So before going to the next week, let us look what happened to the current week. Current week we saw that the Nifty moved within the range, that is on the upper side 16,248 and the lower side was 15,858. Just 390 point movement that we seen in the current week. And the week on week movement, when we consider a net loss of 171 points from last Friday to yesterday. So actually the major reason for the pressure on Nifty and Indian market was US market inflation rate and global cruise. Whereas in India things are well and okay, and we can expect whenever market comes down, we see that the market is recovering from the loss on every days. So yesterday in the pre-market report that we told you that bounce back can be expected at any point of time. And yesterday we saw the market was by noon it was around 15,930, and after that we saw a bounce back from that level and touched a high of 16,066 level before closing at 16,049, a net gain of 110 points yesterday. So last couple of hours we seen a very good rally and closed 110 points higher than the previous closing. So that is actually a base for the next week upward movement. So what will be the next week's major levels that we may consider? The next week's resistance or levels that we can consider are 16,300, 16,450, 16,580 levels are that you can consider on the next week. On the lower level, 16,025 may act as a very good support. Before 16,025, 15,900 is also a very good support for the next week movement. So according to our analysis, we expect the bounce back that happened yesterday maybe continue for the next Monday also. So that is actually the next week perspective of the Indian market and Nifty. And coming to the major corporate results that may announce next week. Monday you can expect Nelco. Tuesday the major companies are HDFC Life, Hindustan Unilever, ICICI Lombard, L&T Finance, etc. On Wednesday, Havels, IndusInd Bank, RIIL, etc. On Thursday, CRISIL, CSB Bank, ICICI Securities, etc. And Friday, HDFC IMC, JSW Steel, etc. These are the major news, major things that may happen next week, and wish you all a very happy weekend. Thank you.